Here at iAUTOHAUS, we have an impressive on-site Bosch Authorized service center, housing 15 service bays featuring the latest diagnostic equipment. Our technicians are ASE certified and collectively have over 100 years of European automotive experience. Knowledgeable and friendly service advisors are eager to assist you and strive to be your partner in keeping your fine auto in optimal condition. iAUTOHAUS has served countless customers in Arizona, across the country, and around the globe. We're proud of our multicultural staff who can assist you in German, Hungarian, Polish, Russian, Spanish, and Vietnamese. We are also BBB accredited, Dealer Rater certified, and have been recognized by Ranking Arizona as the top 10 car dealer in specialized autos. We look forward to welcoming you to the iAUTOHAUS family.